రైట్ ఇక ఏపీ డీజీపీ గౌతమ్ సవాంగ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
To those who laid down their lives in the course of their duty, those policemen who have lost their lives while discharging their duties. So this is the day when we all pay tribute, pay homage, we remember them during those days, during that day. As you are all aware that police department essentially serves towards safety and security of the society, towards maintenance of law and order in the society, and in the course and discharge of the duties, it is under very difficult circumstances, sometimes very harsh circumstances, and with no time limits and timelines. Sometimes they work 24/7. They are expected to be always available 24/7. And whether it is day or whether it is night, whether it shines or whether it rains, a policeman is always expected to be on the roads, expected to be standing, expected to be on duty, serving the society. And we are all aware that last 1 year has been a very difficult time. 2020 and 2021, mainly because of COVID challenges. This COVID challenge is a challenge which challenged the mankind. The whole world was thrown off gear. They were challenged, and even in that kind of a circumstances and situation, we are all aware that how policemen and policewomen, they stood day and night and served the society. మన అందరికీ తెలుసు ఈ కోవిడ్ మహమ్మారి సమయంలో ఏ విధంగా policemen, policewomen, even home guards have performed their duties. సమాజ సేవ కోసం ఏ విధంగా కష్టపడి డ్యూటీలు చేశారు అందరికీ దాని గురించి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us know that. ప్రజల్లో కూడా చాలా వరకు అలాంటి పోలీస్ చేసిన సేవా కార్యక్రమంలో గుర్తింపు కూడా చాలా వచ్చారు. అదే సమయంలో ముఖ్యంగా అలాంటి ఛాలెంజింగ్ సమయంలో we saw many policemen and policewomen, their inner qualities of dedication to duty, qualities of commitment to duty in the service of the society, was very visible. There were many instances which all of you are aware of, but there were many instances where we lost many of our police men and women because of this COVID. So we lost 206 police men and women during the because of COVID, which also includes home guards even, and also our ministerial staff. So this is the time during this Police Commemoration Day, during this Police Martyrs Day, during this Police Flag Day, we will specially also pay tribute and remember those members of the police department who laid down their lives, who lost their lives, who sacrificed their lives in the course of their duty. We lost 11 personnel during last 1 year period from the last commemoration day, apart from 206 who lost their lives because of COVID and Corona. Friends, as I just mentioned, the kind of nature of duties the police performs is one of the most difficult circumstances. And all this, another aspect of the policeman's duties and responsibilities and policeman's engagement is policemen's families. Now, no other section in the society, the families get as affected as a policeman's family, because a policeman will always be serving the society, very often leaving their families behind. So the department also undertakes several measures to take care of the policeman's family welfare also. Now, meeting with the policeman's welfare to see that a policeman is able to better serve the society. How can a policeman or a policewoman serve the society better if their working conditions, working circumstances are better, they can serve better, obviously. And in that component is policemen's families. Now, policemen's families needs particular attention because, as I said, most of the policemen's families get left behind. And so we have to cater specifically for such requirements. So we have also undertaken several measures, and during COVID times itself we had undertaken unique measures to make sure that every policeman feels that not only the department but also the government has taken a lot of care, and with the support of the government, the department was able to make special arrangements for their welfare, well-being, their health conditions, also that of their immediate family, not only immediate family, but the near family members also, so that a policeman is free from any stress and tension when he stands on the road and serves the society. So I would request my colleague to quickly go through the presentation as to the arrangements, welfare measures that has been taken in the department during the last 2 years, and particularly once with the onset of the COVID challenges, as you know, that is one of the biggest challenges that we all had, which the world had, which the mankind had, I would say. So during that period also, there were special arrangements made. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. COVID-19 మనందరికీ మానవాళికి కొత్త ముప్పులు తీసుకొచ్చింది. దానికి సంబంధించి ఏ విధంగా ఉండాలా అనే ఏ విధంగా దాన్ని ఎదుర్కోవాలనేటువంటి దానికి అంతకుముందు ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఏది లేకపోవటం, సో ఇన్నోవేటివ్గా ఆలోచించటం, దాన్ని ఎలా ఎదుర్కోవాలి, ఎలా న్యూట్రలైజ్ చేయాలి అనే దానికి స్ట్రాటజిక్గా మనం ప్లాన్స్ వేసుకొని ముందుకు వెళ్ళటం జరిగింది. మొట్టమొదటిగా ఏజ్డ్ పర్సన్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో సో మనకు మొదట్లో కొద్దిగా వచ్చిన డేటా ప్రకారం ఏజ్డ్ పర్సన్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు బాగా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతారు.